Hello everyone, welcome to Vision Defense. So today we'll be seeing the CDSE 2021-2 GS Set A Key in Expression Part 2. So we were seeing polity, geography and history questions. This is a continuation of that. Those who did not see the first part, please do watch the first part and continue. Now, 64th question. D had recently visited Kardangla, Nubra Valley, and several Buddhist monasteries. Which of the following states or UTs had she visited? So this is also a direct question from NCERT. So this Kardangla, it is located in Ladakh. From this Kardangla pass, we can find that Ladakh is the right answer. The same is with Nubrak Valley. This is also present in Ladakh. Famously known as the gateway to the Nubrak and Shoyak Valley, Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir. It is the also considered the highest motorable pass in the world. Kardangla Pass. Answer is D. 65th question. Which of the following states receive rainfall from both the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon? So Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, it's about southwest monsoon. This is also given in NCERT India Physical Geography, page number 47. See, both this Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, they meet at Punjab. Okay, that is in the western Himalayas, and they give rainfall. So we can see that this is the Arabian Sea branch and this is the Bay of Bengal branch. So once it crosses the central India, okay, now it also, you can see from this diagram. So this meets in Meghalaya, okay, this Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. But okay, a part of this Arabian Sea branch, it runs parallel to the Aravallis, and this Bay of Bengal branch, it have a tunneling effect, that is Himalayas in this side, and then Patgai Naga Hills, Miso Hills, then Arakaniyoma in this part. So it takes a left direction and it again meets the Arabian Sea branch in the western Himalayas. So from this we can say that Punjab is the answer. And it is also given in NCERT. These two branches, that is Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, reinforced by each other, cause rains in the western Himalayas. Right. Next question. In septisols, entisols, vertisols, and molasols, or order of which of the following? So class 11, India Physical, page number 69. There is a tabular column. It says about soil taxonomy. So this is the list. From this, answer B, soil is the right answer. 67. S had witnessed contour bunding and contour ploughing while visiting one of the states in India. Identify the state from the options given below. So contour bunding and contour ploughing. See, if it is a flat, if it is a slopy area, okay, in order to make it as a flat land, they do this contour bunding. So this is contour bunding and ploughing. So it is a farming practice of ploughing or planting across a slope, following its elevation contour lines. So C, Himachal Pradesh is the right answer. 75. The Constitution of India guarantees freedom of speech and expression, but the freedom is subjected to certain reasonable restrictions imposed by the state. These restrictions may relate to which of the following? 1. Defamation. 2. Decency and morality. C. Incitement to an offense. All these three are reasonable restrictions for speech and expression according to Article 19(2). The restrictions are sovereignty and integrity, security of a state, friendly relation, public order, decency or morality, defamation, and incitement to an offense. So, this is the answer. 76. Which of the following amendments in the Constitution of India made a proclamation of national emergency immune from judicial review? Actually, the answer is 38th Amendment of Constitution, but the option, there is no option. So it is up to the UPSC to decide the key for this. 77. Which of the following British officials was elevated to the position of Governor General after the Regulating Act of 1773? So according to the Regulating Act of 1773, Governor General of Bengal was designation was changed to Governor General of Bengal. The answer is Warren Hastings. He was the first Governor General of Bengal. 17. Which of the following ideas was preached by Khewar or Sapphire movement of 1870s? The Khewar or Sapphire movement, they were led by Santals in central India. It was under the leadership of Bhagrit Maghrib. Their ideology was monotheism and internal social reform. That is one God, which is also aiming for social reform. B is the answer. 17. Which of the following years was the Pune Sardarjini Sabha established? Direct factual question. It is in 1870. It was started by as a socio-political organization. 80. Which of the following was an important Pandya port celebrated for its pearls in Sangam poems and Greek accounts? The answer is Korkai. 81. The town of Chisti from which the Sufi Chisti Sisila derives its name is located at. Again, I told you, right? Bhakti and Sufi traditions is the second question from this chapter. It is given in this tabular column. Most of the Sufi lineage was named after a founding figure. For example, Kafi order, while others were from the place of origin. That is, in this case, the town of Chisti in central Afghanistan. So from this, we can say that. So option they are not given directly. It is central Afghanistan. So this is the second question from this chapter. Next, the rules for conditional workshops and involving collective recitation were organized by. This is the third question from the same chapter. Themes in Indian history, part 2, Bhakti Sufi tradition. Okay. So here you can say that Baba Guru Nanak, he organized his community. He set up the rules for conjugation workshop, Sangat, involving collective recitation. Okay. So A is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following will be at more risk with respect to earthquake hazard zone specified by Geological Survey of India? So if you see the Geological Survey of India, right, the Himalayan part, Gujarat and Northeastern, they are subjected to earthquake hazard zone prone. Okay. So if you are able to find that Pitagorg is in Uttarakhand, then you will find that all others, Indore is Madhya Pradesh, Secunderabad in Telangana, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, they are all in the stable zone, but whereas they are in the zone 5. Uttarakhand is in seismic zone 5. C is the answer. 84. The government wants to prepare a plan for drought-prone areas of the country. Which one of the following regions will be predominantly focused? So drought-prone area, it is the Kutch region. Okay. Other than that, across Andhra Pradesh, they have more than 100 centimeters of rainfall. Bandra Plains also, northeast more than 120 centimeters. Kutch will be the right answer. Less than 70 centimeters of rainfall annually. 85. 4 persons are traveling to different states of India. Who will you advise from protect from blizzards? Blizzards are cold winds. Cold winds. Okay. So blizzards are usually occurring in Arunachal Pradesh in Padgaibam Hills. Padgaibam. So A is the right answer. 86. Which of the following state is not prominent for plantation agriculture? So plantation agriculture is intensive agriculture. So Assam, Nagaland, Kerala, they have plantation agriculture. But Rajasthan, they don't have plantation agriculture. 87. The distance between which two cities have been reduced by Atal Tunnel? The answer is Manali to Leh. So it's current affairs question, but it's also related to geography, right? 88. Which of the following biosphere reserves comprise islands with estuaries, beaches, coral reefs, salt marshes, and mangroves? This is also a direct question from NCERT. India Physical Environment, page 66. You can see that the Gulf of Mannar biospheres, right? It has estuaries. It comprises of 21 islands with estuaries, beaches, seagrasses, coral reefs, salt marshes, and mangroves. Direct question. So Gulf of Mannar biosphere reserve is the right answer. Which of the following is not a correct statement with reference to Constitution of India? The Constitution 85th Amendment has inserted right to education and Article 20. It is not 85, it is 86th. 86th constitutional amendment. So this is the incorrect statement. 90. Which of the following statement about the Cripps mission is not correct? The answer is B. It proposed that the Constitution of India was to be framed by an elected Constitutional Assembly of the Indian people. No, it did not talk about Indian people. 91. Which of the following statements regarding constitutional amendment is or correct? The procedure for amendment to the Constitution is provided in Article 368. Yes, it's the right statement. A bill to amend the Constitution can be introduced in either House of Parliament. This is also true. The special procedure in Article 368 vests the Constitution powers upon the ordinary legislature. Yes, okay. The ordinary legislature, the Parliament members only make the constitutional amendment, even though usually in other countries they have a separate election and they elect a separate constitutional assembly for constitutional amendment, but in India it is not the scenario. Okay, so 3 is the right statement. The ordinary legislature, which is the Parliament, okay, they do the constitutional amendment. So answer is 1 to 3. Which of the following is not a circumstance for the proclamation of emergency by the President of India and Article 352? Yes. So this internal disturbance is not a provision. This was taken away by 44th Constitutional Amendment, 1978. It was replaced by armed rebellion. So this is not a provision. Akbar issued a farman in 1598 permitting in the city of Cambay, Gujarat, the construction of a. This is also a direct question from Themes in Indian History, part page 150. Right here you can see that a church in Kambat. So this is an excerpt from farman issued by Akbar in 1598. So Akbar has given a permission to build a church. Domingo Paez, the medieval travel, has described the city of, again, Themes in Indian History, okay, page 176. Domingo Paez description of Vijayanagara. So the answer is Vijayanagara. One more question from NCERT. The extent of damage caused by earthquake is not influenced by which of the following? See, by the strength of the earthquake, it is influenced. Population density, yes. Type of building, yes. But climate of the area, no. It is not influenced by climate. An avalanche is a type of which of the following disasters? NCERT, India Physical, page number 78, we have seen that there is a tabular column which says that the natural disasters are classified according to atmosphere, terrestrial, aquatic, and biological. In that, avalanche comes under terrestrial. So avalanche is of terrestrial. 97. An infection constantly maintained at 3 baseline level in the geographical area without external input is known as endemic. 98. Streams and rivers coming from the mountain deposits heavy materials of rocks and boulders in Babar. Okay, so this is the almost at the foothills. So Babar is a narrow belt at the foothills of Shivalik, and you can see that the same statement is given here. Streams and rivers coming from the mountain deposits heavy materials of rock. The same statement is given in the questions. Babar. Which of the following statement regarding the electoral rolls is all correct? There is one general electoral roll for every constituency. Yes. No person is ineligible for exclusion in the electoral roll on the ground of race, religion, caste, sex, or any of them. Yes. Article 326, Universal Adult Franchise. Okay. A citizen of India not less than 18 years of age can cast his or her vote unless disqualified under law or law of an appropriate legislature. Yes. See, Article 325 says that, okay, no person shall be ineligible. So this is Article 325 and this is Article 326. Right? No person shall be ineligible on the ground of race, religion, caste, sex, or any of these. And 326 says that, okay, every person based on universal adult franchise, they will be given. So B is the answer. So the following statement is not correct about totalitarianism. See, it is akin to autocracy and authoritarianism. Yes, totalitarianism and autocracy both are similar. It usurps political freedom of the individuals, but does not usurps personal freedom. Usurps means take away. Take away. See, actually, it takes away both the political freedom as well as personal freedom. So this is the incorrect statement. So that's all with polity, geography, and history questions, the key and explanation. So in other videos, we'll see keys for science as well as current affairs and economy. Thank you.